This is Sci-Novation.
The water cycle, also known as the hydraulical cycle, describes the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the earth.
The mass of water on Earth remains fairly constant over time, but the partitioning of the water into the major reservoir of ice, fresh water, saline water, and atmospheric water is variable depending on a wide range of climatic variables.
Precipitation. Condensed water vapor that falls to the Earth's surface. Most precipitation occurs as rain, but also includes snow, hail, fog, drip, graupel, and sleet. Approximately 505,000 kilometers of water falls as precipitation each year, 398,000 kilometers of it over the oceans. The rain on land contains 107,000 kilometers of water per year and a snowing only 1,000 kilometers. 78% of global precipitation occurs over the ocean.
Canopy interception. The precipitation that is intercepted by plant foliage eventually evaporates back to the atmosphere rather than falling to the ground.
Snowmelt, the runoff produced by melting snow.
Runoff, the variety of ways by which water moves across the land. This includes both surface runoff and channel runoff. As it flows, the water may seep into the ground, evaporate into the air, become stored in lakes or reservoirs, or be extracted for agricultural or other human uses.
Infiltration. The flow of water from the ground surface into the ground. Once infiltrated, the water becomes soil moisture or groundwater. A recent global study using water-stable isotopes, however, shows that not all soil moisture is equally available for groundwater recharge or for plant transpiration. Evaporation. The transformation of water from liquid to gas phases as it moves from the ground or bodies of water into the overlying atmosphere. The source of energy for evaporation is primarily solar radiation. Evaporation often implicitly includes transpiration from plants, though together they are specifically referred to as evapotranspiration. 86% of global evaporation occurs over the ocean.
Deposition. This refers to changing of water vapor directly to ice. Transpiration. The release of water vapor from plants and soil into the air.
Condensation, the transformation of water vapor to liquid water droplets in the air, creating clouds and fog.
Water molecules on Earth's surface, such as oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, plants, and groundwater, absorb energy from the sun, increasing their kinetic energy. This increase in kinetic energy causes some water molecules to overcome the attractive forces between other water molecules. Overcoming these attractive forces causes the highly energetic water molecules to escape into the atmosphere as water vapor. As these highly energetic water molecules rise in the atmosphere, they spread out a lot more, decreasing their pressure. As the pressure of these water molecules decrease, their temperature also falls. As their temperature continues to fall, as this molecule rise, they reach a certain point where the water molecules condense on floating dust particles into liquid water droplets. These dust particles generally consist of dust, smoke, and other air molecules. And they act as support to help water condense on them to form water droplets, just like how leaves act as support to help water molecules condense on them to form dew.
As temperature of rising water molecules fall, their kinetic energy also falls, causing the attractive forces between water molecules to grow stronger. As the attractive forces between water molecules grow stronger than their kinetic energy, the water molecules condense to form snow or water in clouds. As snow and water droplets become heavy, they precipitate.
And that's all for our topic, Water Cycle Redefined.